Okay, do what you gotta do then, man. You didn't let us down last time, so. Are you carrying the can, though?
No, this, you're carrying. Yes, muscles.
Take him with you.
Fuck. I think I got hit. Friends, clear, come around the corner. Yeah. Ah, hit right in the nipple. Oh. You know where he is? Fuck, you get hit again. Can you shoot that way? He's sitting low. Friend, I'm gonna do. I just need to get up there. Can you shoot? Chill it. Keep him distracted. Hit! Demand! Do we have the can? Oh, I heard them left. I heard the can over there. They were gonna move left. I heard the can left over here. On your 6. Do we have the can? Yeah. Oh, hit. Yeah. Down this lane. He's down the lane. Far right. He's there. Guys, come out. Help out. Hit it. The trade.
We have it right over here.
We have it? Oh, why are they sitting so far back? Okay, let's go. I have the can by the masonry door entryway. Okay, can. It's here. Yeah, it's here. Okay. We have friendlies by the tires.
I'll go with the tires.
Well, no, I don't know if you want to move there, do we?
I'm just gonna get this thing.
Should we move to the tires for now? We good? Shadow? The shadow. Right around the corner. That's green around the corner? Yeah. Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, tires are hot. Yeah, hey, Kansas here. Guy. Oh, he's dead. There's somebody, shadow. Just watch how far you come. I'm watching. Green. Okay. Oh, hit. Demand. Oh. Good job.